All right, now we've got pistol squats. It's gotten too easy, so we're doing it with the weighted vest. Actually, we got a weighted vest, 20-pound weighted vest, and a 20-pound dumbbell. I can do this, right? Crazy. Oh, that's too easy. Oh, that's too easy. I don't feel anything. Oh, I don't feel anything. Alright, this is too easy now. I need a challenge. 20 in my right, 20 in my left. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!